Hello everyone, this is Ronak Malhotra and I welcome you all to my channel Learn Music with Ronak. This video is very special as I'm teaching Jai Radha Madhav. Most of the devotees in my channel, they requested me to teach some bhajans like Hey Gopinath and Jai Radha Madhav, and here is that Jai Radha Madhav for you. In this video, we are going to do fingerstyle guitar. The right hand of this fingerstyle guitar is very important and it follows two patterns in it. First pattern is pure fingerstyle, which is thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index, ring, middle. A little bit longer, but you can remember it. Thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index, ring, middle. So it is total 8-note pattern. This pattern is repeated almost half of the song, and the later section is a strumming pattern with the fingerstyle only, and it is thumb, then index, middle and ring finger all together on the first, second and third string, and then mute. Mute is represented by the X on the tab. Thumb, fingers all together, then mute, thumb, fingers, mute. This is the pattern. The chords are D minor, then F major, C major, D minor. This is the chord progression. D minor 2 times, F major, C major, D minor. A little bit changes are there which you can just understand from the tabs. Here we go.
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यमुनतीरावनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यमुनतीरावनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी.
So this is our little Jai Radha Madhav lesson for you. I hope you enjoy it, and if you need some more lessons, you have some special request of a song, of a particular song, you can write it in the comment section. See you in the next video.